Do you constantly wish that nature was easier to live in? Having trouble with mosquitoes that constantly bite your arm to cause a second plague? And if not, well, here's what could happen if you're not prepared. But if you're a human who likes the outdoors for some reason, well, do I have the survival tips you need to survive nature. In my new survival book called How to Not Failing Survive Nature. Yay! I will tell you the things you need to survive the great outdoors. First, I will tell you the boring part. Books. Yay! You'll need a book about plants, because plants are everywhere. And boy, do most of them hate humanity. So a book about which plants are good and which are not is super handy. Another book that's useful is a book about hunting. Meat is good, and animals are full of it, like this cow. And what do you do when you see an animal?
Get the hell off my land, you son of a bitch!
Now that books are out of the way, burn them for survival. That's another survival tip for you. Now on to equipment. You'll need a compass so you'll never eat soggy waffles. You'll need a map to not get lost. Hatchet, because if a kid can survive in the wilderness with nothing but a hatchet, then so can you. Rope, so when times are tough you can tie stuff up, I guess. A large backpack, pretty self-explanatory. Hunting knife to skin the animal you murdered. Fishing rod, so you can kidnap fish, skin them alive and eat them, yum. A flare gun to tell people where you are in case you were stupid and got into a danger because you didn't read my survival guide. A medkit in case you did a stupid and got your head hurt. Oh yeah, a sleeping bag would be useful too, unless you wanna sleep on the dirt like an animal. Oh yeah, and a tent for obvious reasons that I don't need to explain because you're old enough to understand why you need a tent. A fire starter so you can be an arsonist. Oh, and bring the right clothing or else you might get clapped by nature. Might as well bring a machete too cause you always see people with them and they do pretty neat. Bring some food with you in case you can't find any cause then you will look like an idiot. And bring a hunting rifle for...
Get the hell off my land, you son of a bitch!
Great. Now you're ready to face nature and kick it for thinking it could kill you. Now let's hope you can survive more than 6 months unlike someone we know. Now that you read this you will go from this to this in no time. Now go out there and try not die.